Let's start with the recruitment process. This has to be done once the manpower requisition form is received and it gets approval from the head of the department by the HR and the top management. Then we have to go to the recruitment process. In that, first is the batch master. In the batch master, we have to go to new. Okay, 282. Then the position the person will be working for, the working as position would be written here. You have to select it, double click, quantity, it should be 1. We are not making it in bulk because in the bulk it is having some issues. So individual, it will be working fine. Then save it. Go to the interview. Insert. Final interview. Save. Okay. And close it. Next we will go to the agent master. In the agent master, we will write the name of the person through whom the person is coming. Whether it is through referral program, whether it is through walk-in, or the person who is going to send the MPR to us, we will write the name of the particular person. If it is not there, we can simply go to new. Write down reference, the name of that person or the ID, and save it. Then close. Next we will be going to shortlisted candidates. In that we will write today's date, this is a temporary code for shortlisted candidates, which will come automatically. Write down the name, write down the designation, select the nationality, you have to click on a particular tab to make it active. Either it could be code or the name. You have to make the selection. You have to click it to make it active. Double click, religion, agent, anybody who has given the request for SAIDA, you have to select it from here. The batch number. The batch number is the one which will be coming from here. The batch number what we have already selected. In the remarks, just for our reference, we are writing the salary details. This is just for our reference. And the basic details of that person. All the basic details will be written here, the email, the father name, mother name, and finally it will be saved. Next we will go to the interview schedule. Double click on the batch number. It will be shown here. Once the shortlisted candidate is selected, it will be shown as the last one. Select it. The final interview. The final interview is coming because in the batch master we have selected the final interview. This is the designation. And then write the mobile number, the email address, the interview date, interview by remarks and save it. Save and close. Then we will be going to interview status entry. Go to the batch master, batch number. The people who are waiting for interview would be shown here. You can select from here. Select it for appointment. Select it for appointment. It will be shown here. Before it was waiting for interview. Now the status is changed from waiting for interview to selected for appointment. Save it and then close. The next thing which is very important is the appointment. This is the temporary code we are using for giving to PRO for processing the visa, and secondly for getting the payment through accounts. We'll call recruitment. In call recruitment, we'll get the last person. We'll select category. If it is case staff, case labor, staff or temporary, we'll select it here. Okay. Then the sponsor. In the sponsor, we will write whether the visa is of Rakya, RK Investment Authority, RK Labour Office, Abu Dhabi branch, husband visa, citizen, other sponsor. All the options are given here. Trade, it will be again the designation a person is working for. The department would be taken from the MPR which was requested by the concerned division. In that, the department would be written. We have to select among all these departments. Status would always be working salary. We should not be selecting the second one. Only working salary. Company should always be 10 because HR is identifying all the Annuity group as one company. Expected joining date. It could be any date which you are supposing. It cannot be perfect, but it will be shown finally in the employee master when we are creating new employee. So we have to be little careful about the expected joining date, as we cannot change it later on if we are saving it here. So we can just put like 15 days from the date we are making this employee appointment, because after making this employee appointment only we are submitting the documents to PRO for processing. It will take almost 15 days. We can just suppose we'll put it 15/3/2013. The passport number is must. If it is getting duplicated, it will give an error. If we are putting two same passport numbers for any people, it will give an error. Then save it, and we have to print it and give one copy to PRO, as this is a temporary employee code given to a person when he is not on our visa. And close. This is the whole process of recruitment. You have to go to batch master, write the name and designation, save it, go to interview, select final appointment, close it. Go to agent master, select the agent through which the person is coming. We have to go to shortlisted candidates, Fill in all the details we need, save it and close. We'll go to interview schedule. Clicking on the badge number, we'll get all the people present. Select amongst them, save and close. Interview status entry. In that we will select from here, select it for appointment, close, and then go to appointment. In the appointment, we are not directly going to put all the details. We must have to go here and select the person. There is one issue with it. There is no approval system in this particular area of recruitment, which will be installed later. Then the people will get approval from here. This is all of the recruitment process.